In this video, I'm going to show you how to create and draw lines in Microsoft Word. Now, to start with, there's two different types of lines that we can use in our document. There's this horizontal line that goes all the way across the page like so. And we also have this shorter line that we can use for things like signatures. So I'm going to show you how to create both of these in just a few simple clicks. So to create this horizontal line that goes all the way across your document like this, what you need to do is click on the Home tab in the top navigation and then click on the drop-down arrow next to the borders icon. From here, you can select whether you want a bottom, top, left, or right border. If you just want a horizontal line across it, then click on the bottom border. You can also adjust the styling of this by coming back down to the drop-down arrow and clicking on borders and shading. And from here, you can do things like adjust the width and color of the line. So for example, if I set this to 1 point and press OK, and now if I reselect bottom border, you can see that adjusts the strength of the line. So that's how you create this horizontal line. If you wanted to create a shorter line like this signature one, then you can do that by clicking on Insert in the top navigation, clicking on Shapes, and then we're going to select the line tool from the list. Now all you simply need to do is draw where you want this line to be placed. So I'm going to place mine next to this signature text. Once again, you can also adjust things like the color and the strength of the line just by clicking the drop down arrow next to Shape Outline, and from here we can adjust things like the weight and the color of the line. So it's as simple as that, guys. That's how you create lines in Microsoft Word. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.